Now we shall start Unit 5, which is resonance and coupled circuits. The first topic is going to be series and parallel resonance, their frequency response, quality factor, and bandwidth. First, we shall deal with series resonance. What is a resonance? Resonance is a circuit state or a circuit condition at which the current is maximum or minimum with respect to a particular excitation frequency. At resonance, inductive reactance equal to capacitive reactance. The circuit behaves as a resistive circuit with the power factor of unity. So for series resonance, we will consider a series RLC circuit. So we have a voltage source with a frequency F. R, L and C elements are connected in series. VR is the voltage across R, VL is the voltage across L, VC is the voltage across capacitor C, I is the circuit current. The entire thing is going to be your impedance. Impedance is Z equal to R plus JXL minus JXC, Z equal to R plus J of XL minus XC, Z equal to R plus Jx. This XL minus XC, we write it as X, which is the net reactance. Here, XL equal to omega L, XC equal to 1 by omega C. Now, current I equal to voltage divided by impedance Z. I equals V divided by R plus J of XL minus XC. At resonance, XL is going to be XC, current is going to be maximum. Say, let us say the current at resonance as IM. So, IM equal to V divided by R plus XL equal to XC. So, I put XC here, R plus J of XC minus XC equals V divided by R plus J into 0 equal to V divided by R plus 0. So, IM equal to V divided by R. So, it is, the circuit behaves like a pure resistive circuit. Also, if you look at the power factor cos phi is given by R divided by Z. So, at resonance condition, Z equal to R by R equal to 1. So, in a pure resistive circuit, the power factor, we know it is going to be 1 or unity. At resonance, the angular frequency is omega R. Omega R is the angular frequency at resonance. At resonance, XL equal to XC. XL you can write omega R L equals 1 by omega R C. So this omega R you take left hand side, this L you bring it to the right hand side. Omega R into omega R equal to 1 divided by L by C. So omega R square equal to 1 by LC. Omega R you can write 2 pi FR the whole square equals 1 by LC. So you take square root on both sides. Square root of 2 pi FR the whole square equals square root of 1 by LC. So this will become 2 pi FR equal to square root of 1 by LC. Two pi FR equal to square root of 1 divided by square root of LC, 2 pi FR equal to 1 by square root of LC. So FR is the resonance frequency equal to 1 divided by 2 pi root of LC. So here, this is the frequency response. So it is drawn between x-axis is frequency, y-axis is current. So in a series resonance circuit, how the current varies with respect to frequency, that is your frequency response. So the variation is something like this. So at resonance frequency, FR is the resonance frequency, current is maximum, that is IM. Okay. So at F1, F2, RMS power at some frequency F1, F2, RMS power is Im by root 2 multiplied by V by root 2. So this is going to be VIM divided by 2 equal to output power divided by 2. That is half of the output power. So those frequencies at which the power becomes half, that is, those frequencies are known as half power frequencies. So how to locate these half power frequencies? Because it is associated with Im by root 2. Okay. So this is the maximum at which we have the resonant frequency. This point is Im by root 2. That is half power point. So extend this, it will cut the response at two places. This is called F1, lower cutoff frequency, or lower half power frequency. And it also cuts here. Corresponding frequency is F2. It is known as upper cutoff frequency. Sometimes it is called upper half power frequency. So this difference, F2 minus F1, this distance, it is called bandwidth. Normally we represent bandwidth by BW. So I can write BW equal to, that is bandwidth equal to F2 minus F1. Next we shall study quality factor. So quality factor, it is also called Q factor. Quality factor Q equal to VL divided by V. That is, at resonance, the ratio of capacitor voltage to the applied voltage. Similarly, VC by V. VC by V is capacitor voltage to the applied voltage. VL by V. Both are equal definition. Quality factor Q equal to VL by V. Also it is equal to VC by V at resonance. Now I will take this Q equal to VL divided by V. This is for the case of L. IM XL, IM getting cancelled. I write XL divided by R. XL is omega R L divided by R. Now for C, that is for capacitor, this equation. Q equal to VC divided by V equals IM XC divided by IM R. IM getting cancelled. XC divided by R equal to 1 by omega square CR. This is for C. Now we will take this relation. Q equal to omega R L divided by capital R. But omega R, you have already seen, 1 by square root of LC. So use this here. So Q equal to omega r 1 divided by square root of LC. So we have L into multiplied by L into R. So next we will simplify the relation. Q equal to 1 divided by square root of L into square root of C. This L you can split square root of L into square root of L divided by R. So these two getting cancelled. So you get 1 by R square root of L divided by square root of C. Q equal to 1 by R square root of L by C. Also Q equal to 1 divided by omega R CR. Again you substitute for omega R 1 divided by 1 by square root of LC CR. You take it upstairs equal to square root of LC divided by CR. Q equal to 1 by R. This I split square root of L multiplied by square root of C. This C you can divide or you split square root of C multiplied by square root of C. So the square root of C getting cancelled. So you get 1 by R square root of L divided by square root of C equals 1 by R square root of L by C. So in both cases same relation we got. So this is a quality factor. Next we shall see how this quality factor and the bandwidth, how these two are related with each other. So I can say it is the relation between bandwidth and quality factor. At resonance, the net reactance X is equal to plus or minus XL minus XC equal to R. That is at resonance. So plus or minus means with respect to frequency, the reactance varies. So that means so I can write same thing, just I'm rewriting R equal to plus or minus omega L. XL is omega L minus XC is 1 by omega C equal to plus or minus X. At the lower cutoff frequency, the net reactance X seen to be negative. So R equal to, you attach negative sign to this, minus of omega 1 L minus 1 by omega 1 C. So this minus you take it to the other side, and I'm just rewriting this equation. Omega 1 L minus 1 by omega 1 C equals minus R. This you call equation number 1, Roman letter. At F2, at frequency F2, the net reactance is positive. So that means R equal to, take plus. So need not to put plus. R equal to omega 2 L minus 1 divided by omega 2 C. So this you can write omega 2 L minus 1 by omega 2 C equal to R. This you call equation number 2. That is Roman letter. I am not using the normal letter, Roman letter. So now you add these two equations. Right? You add these two equations. 1 plus 2 gives omega 1 L minus 1 by omega 1 C plus omega 2 L minus 1 by omega 2 C equal to minus R plus R. So omega 1 L plus omega 2 L minus 1 by omega 1 C minus 1 by omega 2 C. So minus R plus R, this will become 0. From this, L is common, you take it outside. Omega 1 plus omega 2 into L. Here also 1 by C is common, you take outside. Minus 1 by C. Minus 1 by C, So bracket you get 1 by omega 1 plus 1 by omega 2 equal to 0. Next what you can do is this I am just cross multiplying omega 1 plus omega 2 into L minus 1 by C omega 2 plus omega 1 divided by omega 1 omega 2 equal to 0. Now you take this term, second term to the right hand side. So we get omega 1 plus omega 2 into L equal to 1 by C omega 1 plus omega 2 divided by omega 1 omega 2. So L equal to 1 by C, you take this other side, 1 by C into omega 1 plus omega 2 divided by omega 1 omega 1 omega 2 multiplied by 1 by this omega 1 plus omega 2. So these two getting cancelled. So we write L equal to 1 divided by C into omega 1 omega 2. So from this omega 1 omega 2 is this here, this will come down here. Omega 1 omega 2 equal to 1 by LC. Next what we are going to do is we subtract first equation from second equation. So 2 minus 1, we write omega 2 L minus omega 2 C minus of omega 1 L minus 1 by omega 1 C equal to R minus of minus R. So omega 2L minus 1 by omega 2C minus omega 1L minus into minus will become plus 1 by omega 1C equal to again minus into minus will become plus R. So now I group the similar terms omega 2L minus omega 1L minus 1 by omega 2C plus 1 by omega 1C, R plus R is going to be 2R. So L is common, take outside. Again 1 by C is common, take it outside. Omega 2 minus omega 1 into L plus 1 by C, 1 by omega 1 positive term. This is minus 1 by omega 2 equal to 2R. Omega 2 minus omega 1 into L plus 1 by C cross multiply omega 2 minus omega 1 divided by omega 1 omega 2 equal to 2R. So in this equation you divide by L on both sides. So you get omega 2 minus omega 1 L divided by L plus 1 by C into omega 2 minus omega 1 divided by omega 2 omega 1 equal to 2R divided by L. So this L and L getting cancelled. We already seen omega 2 omega 1 equal to 1 by LC. Substitute this here. Omega 2 minus omega 1 plus 1 by LC omega 2 minus omega 1, instead of this you substitute 1 by LC equal to 2R divided by L. You take this LC upstairs. Omega 2 minus omega 1 plus 1 by LC omega 2 minus omega 1 multiplied by LC equal to 2R divided by L. So L and L getting cancelled, C and C getting cancelled. So we write omega 2 minus omega 1 plus omega 2 minus omega 1 equal to 2R divided by L. So omega 2 minus omega 1 plus omega 2 minus omega 1. So I combine these two things. Omega 2 plus omega 2 minus omega 1 minus omega 1 equal to 2R divided by L. So omega 2 plus omega 2, 2 omega 2 minus, this is going to be 2 omega 1 equal to 2R by L. So next we have So 2 is common, take it outside. 2 of omega 2 minus omega 1 equal to 2r divided by L. So these two getting cancelled. So you can write omega 2 minus omega 1 equal to r by L. So already we have seen Q equal to omega r L by r. So from this, what is r by L? R by L is going to be omega r divided by Q. So instead of this r by L, substitute this. So omega 2 minus omega 1 equal to omega r divided by Q. So you take this Q here, this down. Q equal to omega r divided by omega 2 minus omega 1 equal to omega r is 2 pi fr, omega 2 is 2 pi f2 minus 2 pi f1. So this is 1. This is 1 f1. So that is equal to 2 pi fr divided by 2 pi is common, take it outside from the denominator. 2 pi into f2 minus f1. So this 2 pi getting cancelled. So we get Q equal to fr divided by f2 minus f1. So Q equal to resonant frequency divided by bandwidth. F2 minus f1 is bandwidth. So this ratio, this fr divided by f2 minus f1, this ratio is also known as selectivity of the resonant circuit.